out here at the 2018 shootout in Ohio. We're about to go for a ride in Scott's 1994 Evo 2. This thing is so badass. What's up, my man?
What's up?
Loving the car, dude.
Thanks.
You mind giving us a little rev?
Yeah.
Let's go for a spin.
Let's do it.
Yeah. What's up, my man? How's it going?
Pretty good, dude.
So we're here with Scott in this badass 1994 Evo 2 here.
Yeah.
Thanks for taking me for a ride,
yeah,
man.
No problem.
Yeah, we're out here at the 2018 shootout in Ohio. It's been an absolute blast thus far. So yeah, man, I'm super excited. Give us a rundown on the car.
Yeah, so it's a built 2 liter. It's got a Ross pistons, Howard's rods, just steel rods. It's got Kelford 280s in it. Just a big cast intake manifold. You know, full 4-inch steel exhaust. It's running a Vipec ECU, so similar to Link G4. It's a stock drivetrain, just minus a few things in the trans. Just a cheap ACT 2600 in it for now, because I'm gonna auto swap it over winter.
Oh, nice.
So it shifts though. I mean, the thing was shifting at 10K just a little earlier, so it doesn't do too bad.
Jeez.
So yeah, I mean, it's just a street car. Like, I drive this thing to work all the time. Still got the factory seats. We got lap belts still. You know, when we're not racing.
Yeah.
You know, it's a fun car. It's easy to drive. Gets exducer and a 73 on the exhaust exducer. So I did that turbo because I wanted it to be legal for the import face-off street class. So the limit on that is a 62 millimeter. So for the auto cars anyways, it's 64 on the for the manual cars, but this car will have an auto next year.
Yeah,
so.
for sure.
Yeah.
So what's the fastest you've been in the car?
So the first pass ever in the car, I went 10-1 at 147. That was with a 1.9 60 foot. I didn't have the two-step high enough for this track. So we'll see what it does going forward.
Hey,
so.
that's not damn near 9-second car first pass, you know?
Yeah, I'm hoping for, you know, anywhere in the mid to high 9 at 150 or so.
Yeah.
So
And
we'll see.
stock transmission, 'cause you know you gotta be easy with it.
Yeah,
Stock, you know, so
yeah. Especially the clutch 2 being just an ACT 2600 just to get me by. It shifts
exactly.
though, so you know.
You're having fun with what you have, you know?
Yeah. I'm gonna do a rip.
Yeah, do another little rip here. My man, this thing is for sure TRC approved. Fast or not, this thing would be TRC approved. This thing holds ass.
Thanks, man. Yeah, next year once the auto's in it, I'm hoping, you know, somewhere in the high to mid 8s.
Oh yeah.
So.
Oh, that'll make a hell of a difference for sure.
Yeah.
What auto are you guys gonna go with?
So it's going to be a 2G auto trans, and the person building it is Darren Thomas in Oklahoma.
Okay.
Yep.
Sweet. What wheels and tires are on the car?
Yeah, so it's they're 15-inch TE37s with M&H cheater slicks, so they're DOT, so I can run the street classes. Yep.
Badass, man.
Thanks.
All right, guys, it's been an absolute blast at Scott's Evo 2. Thank you so much for
no
popping
problem.
my Evo 2 cherry.
For sure, man.
We'll see you guys next time.